Hi, I'm Tom Bowling, and we're going to explore the wonderful world of permanent botanicals during this next set of videos. And really, when we think about the permanent botanicals, a lot of people have kind of shied away from that, stayed away from it, and there's so many options right now. And one of the biggest reasons when I've talked to people why they do or do not choose to carry them is because of the lack of a supplier. And that's a big deal. So we're going to look at that and talk about some options in the next segments here and kind of just explore some options as far as what you can do, how you can do it. And really, probably for those people that are maybe 10 years or less in the industry, a lot of people have never worked with permanent botanicals. And I want you to see how really simple and easy they are to create, and really the price points can be very attractive. And with people shopping online as much as they are now, this is a real important part of your website to post things that you have created that are not available everywhere else. So we're going to take a look at that.